Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best magic rub eraser is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning tools you can have in your arsenal, capable of tackling everything from stubborn scuff marks on walls and floors to ink stains on various surfaces, making it an indispensable item for homeowners and renters alike seeking a quick and easy solution to everyday messes without resorting to harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Discover the power of Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This versatile cleaner tackles tough messes with ease. It's perfect for your kitchen, bathroom, tiles, glass, and even your shower. Say goodbye to stubborn grease, grime, and stains. Keep your oven and sink looking like new. This paste makes cleaning these high-use areas a breeze. Achieve a brilliant shine on your stainless steel surfaces. It removes unsightly marks and restores luster. From grease to grime, it handles it all. Experience a truly clean home with this essential cleaning solution. This generous 500G tub provides ample cleaning power for all your needs. Get ready for a spotless finish. What we like? This powerful cleaning paste is your go-to for tackling tough messes. It effectively removes grease, grime, and stubborn stains from a variety of surfaces. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner that can handle kitchen grease, bathroom soap scum, and oven grime, this is the one for you. What people say. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. The paste gets off rust, hard water spots, stains in the tile, scuff marks, cleans shoe soles and lots of other stuff. It works very well in all of our stainless steel pans, our glass cooktop, and cleaning our kitchen and bathtub. Number 4. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Sponge. Tired of stubborn messes? Discover the cleaning power that makes surfaces look new again. It's like magic for your home. From scuffs on walls to grime in the kitchen, this cleaner tackles it all. It's your go-to solution for a spotless home. Effortlessly clean your bathroom, kitchen, and even your sneakers. Get a deep clean wherever you need it most. These cleaning pads are built to last, tackling tough jobs with ease. Experience a superior clean that lasts. Get ready for a sparkling clean home with these essential cleaning supplies. It's the easy way to make everything shine. Stock up and save with this convenient 10-count pack. You'll always have the power to erase messes on hand. What we like? Experience the magic of this extra durable sponge that cleans with just water. Its unique texture lifts away scuffs, marks, and grime from almost any surface. If you need a quick and easy solution for cleaning walls, sneakers, or kitchen messes without harsh chemicals, this is your best bet. What people say. This is a great product. It works very well. I would recommend this product. Number 3. Mr. Pen White Pencil Eraser 10-pack. Meet the Mr. Pen White Pencil Eraser, a set of 10 premium erasers designed for all your needs. They are perfect for school, office, and artistic endeavors. Each eraser comes individually wrapped in protective cellophane. It also includes a sliding sleeve for a comfortable and secure grip. Crafted from premium, latex-free vinyl, these erasers are gentle yet effective. They provide a safe and high-quality erasing experience. These erasers effortlessly remove pencil marks with ease. You can rely on them for clean and precise corrections every time. Enjoy clean, smudge-free corrections without scratching, tearing, or damaging your paper. They ensure your work remains pristine. Measuring 2 by 1 by 0.5 inches, they offer a comfortable size for handling. This makes them ideal for extended use during exams or sketching sessions. What we like? Achieve clean, smudge-free corrections with these large, latex-free vinyl erasers. They effortlessly remove pencil marks without damaging paper. If you're a student, artist, or office worker who needs reliable and clean erasing for homework, exams, or sketches, these are perfect for you. What people say. Magic Rub Eraser is a fantastic tool for cleaning. It effectively removes scuff marks and dirt from various surfaces. The eraser is easy to use and provides great results. Number 2. Artellius Pink Erasers, Bulk Pack of 100. Get a large set of 100 pink erasers, perfect for classrooms, offices, or art supplies. Each one is rectangular and made of durable rubber. These erasers for pencils erase cleanly without leaving smudges. Their soft finish ensures they won't tear your paper, making them ideal for schoolwork. Designed to withstand twisting and pressure, these erasers are tough enough for any task. They are built not to tear, even with heavy use. Our pink eraser set is made from 100% latex-free rubber. This makes them safe and non-toxic for everyone to use in any setting. Artellius is dedicated to empowering creators with top-notch supplies. With these erasers in bulk, you'll be well-equipped for all your creative projects. What we like? Get a massive set of 100 durable, smudge-free pink erasers. They are made from safe, latex-free rubber and designed to withstand pressure. If you need a cost-effective and reliable supply for a classroom, office, or art studio, this bulk pack is an excellent choice. What people say? This is a great product that works well. It is very effective at removing stains. I would recommend this product to others. Number 1. SandShark Premium Boat Hull Cleaner. Tired of stubborn dirt and scuff marks on your boat? Introducing a revolutionary cleaning solution that makes your vessel look brand new. It's the ultimate accessory for any boat owner. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and corrosive cleaners. This innovative sponge works with just water, safely erasing marks from your boat's exterior and interior. It's the smart, eco-friendly choice for boat maintenance. Designed with an extra thick core, this cleaning tool is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can tackle tough jobs on various surfaces, from boat seats to sinks and showers. Protect your boat while achieving a pristine clean. This cleaner is safe for use on a multitude of surfaces, ensuring no damage to your prized possession. It's the perfect addition to your boat cleaning kit. When only the best will do, trust SandShark. As an American company, we are dedicated to providing top-quality boating accessories. Make your next boat purchase a gift that keeps on giving. What we like? This premium cleaner is designed to effortlessly remove dirt and scuff marks from boat hulls and more, without harsh chemicals. It's safe for use on a variety of surfaces. If you're a boat owner looking for an effective and safe way to maintain your vessel's appearance, this is a must-have accessory. What people say? It is a magic eraser that works wonders. It is a great product that cleans up scuff marks and crayon marks with ease. It is a great product that cleans up scuff marks and crayon marks with ease. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.